Are you looking for an easy way to learn some new words? Then you are not alone, and this is the video for you. You will learn some words that have one common sound in them. Then you will see that learning new words is easier than you think. Let's get started. Look at these letters. Listen to the sound they make. Repeat after me. EED. EED. Now try making the sound. Awesome! Now let's learn some words that have this sound. Bleed. Feed. Greed. Indeed. Seaweed. Seed. Speed. Weed. Now let's review. Bleed. Feed. Greed. Indeed. Seaweed. Seed. Speed. Weed. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.